Hey there, you ready for a ride? We're gonna go ride bikes today and fix bikes. What a great combination. So, what am I doing? Getting ready for the repair. This is not a video about washing your hands and viruses, although very important. Clean hands are needed for this job today. Fingernails all good, scrubbed. This is the dreaded white handlebar tape wrap. Difficult job, and you better be clean. Let's go hit the road. And here is the customer's bike. Oh, a bike that seems to scream, "Let's ride." But this is the problem, as you can see, no tape. Yes, even gloves to keep these bars fresh and clean. We're on our way to find a workbench. Ah, this looks like a workbench to me. Okay, open up shop. Before any work, check with the customer. Customer went with a 49 center to center, pretty wide bar, oh yeah. So make sure the hoods are placed where you like them. You can rotate later if you want, but make sure the hoods are up and down, angled straight if they like them straight, but check with the customer. We're taped down here, taped down here. We are ready. We remembered everything. We have brought clean hands, scissors, cigarette lighter, finishing tapes. We got our cotton. You may say, why not just wear the blue gloves? Well, I didn't remember them. I forgot. We remembered everything. Sorry, so clean hands, that'll have to do. Let's talk about the cloth tape. It's one of the more difficult wraps. You have to get it to lay down flat. It has to be even. And one thing I've always worried about in taping is running out of tape. And that in mind, while I was writing, I was doing some thinking. We know pretty much the surface area of the tape. Manufacturer gives us the length, we know the width, we know the area. Bars are a different matter. So luckily you bring your machinery handbook. We have our radius, 12.2, the length all the way to our end sleeve, 480 millimeters per side, of course. Turns out about 36,000 millimeters squared surface area here. Tape we get more, which is nice, of course. 57,700. We do some math there with the real numbers. It's about 64, almost 1/3, 2/3. So in theory, we should be able to overlap 2/3. I never trust it. It always seems like you run out. Where do most people do their riding? On top. So we don't have to be even all the way. We're gonna actually pick it up a little heavier on the top. Normally I like to wrap going out toward the out. Come under and go out. We're going to reverse that here. This tape is not going to come unraveled. You have 100% adhesion all the way across. It sticks very well. So here we're going to start under, as always, right up to the bar plug. This is a pre-installed bar plug, which is nice. Right there, and snugness is going to be important here. We always keep some tension, then we advance. And it's nice to follow up your thumb. Let's try and get you a closer look. Camera crew, close up. So you can really see the overlap on this, much more than other tape, so that's kind of interesting. We're on the curve. This is the tricky part. Pull snug. Trying to be slow and steady. See what I mean? The curve, it's easy to get this gap. See how that's That's loose there. It's easy to get that sloppiness. We snug it up. Let's pull that hood back. And now we're going to talk about what I call a race wrap. Everything on the bike should do something. Everybody's got to earn their keep. That extra piece of white tape here, oh, it's stylish and it looks pretty. We can wrap it around and have it be all white. Is it adding to wattage? No. Is it adding to aerodynamics? No. Is it adding to handling? No. Oh, this is the tough. This is where they, there we go. I think I got it. See the wrinkles there? This is the battle royale. Fighting the cotton, molding it to my will. Come on, baby. Check it right there. See a wrinkle. Gonna make a little mistake. Make it where a customer doesn't look. We're running. Oh, come on, baby. This is where you start talking to it. Don't run out on me. Oh, now it's a race. This is where the leader is out front. The peloton is coming right on him. Are we going to make it to the finish or get swallowed up by the monster? Is the group going to catch us right at the finish line? Oh, no. So we'll continue. Nope, not making it. Gonna have to re-roll the tape. Okay, here we go again. Okay, luckily we got finishing tape, so we're gonna tape over that. So the UCI is gonna say they win by a technicality. Okay, a little stingier this time. I think we're gonna trim that a little bit, so we're gonna have to match our finishes, but I think that is, I think that's pretty good. Start the tape at the bottom. If it's flared, you can actually give it a little right up to the edge. Right like that. Don't want it big and bulky, so again, keep the tension on. Right, no lumps, no flat, that's not bad. So we're gonna give it a little trim. Gonna give this a little angle trim. Up and over. We want to tack weld that finish. So in that case, we need a little piece of steel. And we have one. We don't need this glowing red hot, but we do need it hot. So we're going to use a small. Okay. That's what I want to see. Okay, let's do it again. Place 3 of them apart. There we are. Work area cleaned up. Time to go. That feels nice. Not that huge pad. You are very connected to your ride. Excellent. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed Tech Tuesdays, check out our Repair Help video library, which has detailed guides to a wide variety of common bike maintenance procedures. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos from Park Tool.